Hey YouTube, Peter here. Here I am going to review the Power Rangers Beast Morphers Red Ranger. First ever Hasbro made product. So, before we get this toy out of the packaging, let's take a look at the packaging first. Here is the packaging, you can see right here. With the Beast Morphers logo, the warning sign. Nice picture of the Red Ranger right here. And he comes with the accessories, his key, his blaster, his saber, and you have the Power Rangers logo, Hasbro logo over there. This is nothing else. And on the back here, you got the Power Rangers logo here. You can use this if you have the Beast X Morpher, the different languages it has. And you have a picture of the Ranger figure right here, and how you can use the Morph X key as well. And here you have the other Rangers out here. Blue, yellow, then two villains right here, and there's a Hasbro logo, nothing much in here. So now you saw the package, so let's get this thing open. Here's a Red Ranger out of the packaging, and let's take a big look at it. Here he is, nice visor. I like how the paint, wow, this is amazing. I really like how the GB logo is. Let's take a look at the articulation. Let's see. Wow, it can move side, it can move all the way around. It can move up and down, which is a great improvement. Here you can, that as well. Hands, same with this as well. So for these do not move, but only with these they can move. Wow. And a really nice morpher, and you can move the legs as well. You can't move up because of this thing. Can I move the foot around as well? Let's take a look at the key as well. Wow, this is a great key. Wow, can do that as well. Here are his accessories. Wow, look good. Here they are. Saber. Well, this is a great figure. Their size. Here is a Vision Hasbro figure. This also looks good as well. Similar size. But for Bandai figures, this is RPM Red. Similar size, but RPM Red is a bit shorter. But here is Samurai, another Bandai figure. This is also the shorter size as well. So far, I think that this figure looks really good. I think Hasbro did an amazing job on this figure. Until next time, I'll see you again with another video. Here he is, the Red Ranger himself, out of the packaging. By looking at this figure, let's see how the articulation is. He's got very good head movement. He can move his head up and down. Here. He can move his arm around. Move it. Can't go up though. Can't go up. Maybe it can. I was wrong, my bad. You can swivel the fist. Same with his right arm as well. You can turn it around. 360. You can also, here you can do the same thing as well. Swivel his arm. So you can can do the same thing as well. Wow. Hasbro did a really good job with this thing. Control the feet as well. Same thing right here. Swivel that. Can do a lot with this thing. But you can go up. You can't go like, it's like you have to really like a kneeling pose. Enough with that. Let's take a look at the weapons. Here is his Beast X key. You can turn it around like that. That's key mode. Also, it's closed as well. And here is his sword. Wow, that paint looks really good. Actually, I like how they do it. And here's his, wow. There's not much paint in there, which would have been nice. Okay, here he is. I'm trying to get him to stand, so. Here he is holding his blaster as well. And holding his sword, he can. Here he is holding his weapons, sword and blaster. Also, you can also make him wear this Beast X key. Here he is wearing his Beast X key in weapon form. So this is a 6-inch figure, so Bandai, these are the size comparison. Here we are next. Here he is next. Here he is right. If I can get him to stand. Here he is next to his Bandai counterpart, which is Samurai Red from the Super Mega Force toy line. So you can see he's a bit shorter. And he's like 6 inches tall. And another Bandai figure I see him with is... Let's get him out of the way. So here's RPM Red. He's almost the same height. This is another Bandai figure. But for like, if you want to compare like other 6-inch figures, let's say for example like this guy Vision. This is the Marvel Legends figure Vision. He's a bit taller, as you can see right there. So this Beast Morphers figure has like great articulation, a lot of features it's got. So this is it. I will see you again with another video. Stay tuned.